Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride.
Alright guys, I got some new hair in. This is by Asteria Hair, and your girl is going back black. This is a 24-inch, really full, curly, like this is big hair. I'm super excited to get this installed. Now this hairline is perfect, like perfectly plucked, pre-bleached. Now I am showing you guys what's inside of the box. You know, we get some goodies, lashes, wig cap, a band, a brush for the baby hairs, and what I love the most is the satin bag that you get. I love to use this bag to put my wig in when I'm taking it to the hair salon, so no messing up my wig or no frizzies or all of that. So we're now here. I'm about to get my hair done. I'm in the styling chair. I'm getting my install done today by my girl Najee. She's putting my cape on. I know she's gonna slay this lace install. So first we have to get our hair braided up, and with my hair being braided up, I'm gonna make sure to put some oil on my hair before it goes into this protective state, and we put our lace on top. But this is the preparation for getting a wig put on. We're getting all of my hair braided and going into that protective style.
Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame, and no game. I wanna fall, fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me.
Alright guys, we're coming to the end of my hair appointment, and this lace is laid. Looks like it's coming out of my scalp. We're just going to tie it down for a little bit so that that stays as we wet this curly hair. I am super excited because she looks good. I love how full this hair is, and this is the water bottle going in my hair. Really easy to detangle. As you guys can see, she's just using her hand with a water bottle. And that's going to be the completed look. I really liked this. I know you guys have not seen me with this type of hair in a really long time, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I just really love the lace on this, the fullness, the density. I'm gonna give it 10 10s. Did what it needs to do. She is ready for a little vacation, baby. Like I said, super full. You see all of this? You see all of this hair? Okay, do a little bit of blow drying with a diffuser, so don't walk out the house with wet hair. I do have a question for you. Now, curly hair you typically wear in the summertime, but it's the wintertime and your girl decides to go curly. Would you go curly in the wintertime? I must know. Let me know in the comment section because your girl just did.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open.